Hi, welcome to AccuSQL. Today we are going to talk about upgrading your AccuSQL database. Let's begin. In the video today, we are going to show you how to open the AccuSQL 2020 file location, how to locate the SQL Data Updater utility, and how to fill out the SQL Server connection info. The first thing we are going to talk about is opening the AccuSQL 2020 file location. To do this, we must right-click on the AccuSQL 2020 desktop shortcut and click Open File Location. The second step is to locate the SQL DataUpdater utility. We can do this by navigating down on the file location you opened for AccuSQL 2020. Then find SQLDataUpdater.exe. Double click it. It will ask, do you want to allow the app to make changes on your device? Click yes. And the data update tool will then open. The third and final step is to fill out the SQL Server connection info. To do this, we must first type in the server, then whether it is Windows authentication or SQL Server authentication. In my case it's Windows. If you have a username and password, then select the server client driver. In my case it is Server Native Client 11.0 2012, and select the database. In my case Accu 2020, and the owner. Default is DBO. When finished, click Update. It will then update the database. Update complete. Click OK, and you're all set. Thank you for watching this video on how to upgrade AccuSQL 2020. For more videos on AccuSQL, or if you have any additional questions, please visit Engineerica.com/AccuSQL.